Good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with ZTradex, and today we are looking at the analysis on the cryptocurrency pair Bitcoin USD. And first, usually we'll talk about fundamental analysis surrounding BTC USD before we then move down to technical analysis, which will be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart, filled with chart patterns, filled with triangular ascending triangles, movements, support and resistance levels, most importantly, and also a bit of stochastic and relative strength index indicators. So basically, today we can see that Bitcoin jumps to 87K on prospects of a softer Trump tariff stance. And reports are suggesting that the US President Donald Trump may take a more measured approach to implementing new trade tariffs on the 2nd of April. Now, the world's largest cryptocurrency advanced 87,127, and recently, instead of broad industry-wide levels, Trump's administration is expected to impose tariffs on specific countries with significant trade imbalances with the US, according to a Wall Street Journal report. And the plan reportedly targeting around 15% of nations with persistent deficits and dubbed Tier 30. 15 would include major economies such as China, Japan, and Vietnam, of course, because uncertainty over these tariffs initially weighed on risk assets, but optimism around a more measured approach has helped Bitcoin gain some traction. And Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent had earlier suggested that countries could negotiate to avoid higher tariffs by reducing their own trade barriers, indicating potential flexibility in the administration's approach. And the development has alleviated some concerns about a potential escalation in trade tensions, leading to increased confidence in riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. And this, of course, is what has been skyrocketing and plummeting the Bitcoin USDT pair. And we, of course, can see a lot of potential from this. But currently, it got hooked at a very important resistance at 87. And we are seeing probably a little retest to the latest support resistance level at 86 before a potential push up back to the up zone. But in general, we are expecting Bitcoin to go at a new higher high from this previous one it has currently reached. Now, to back this up, we need to have much more technicals on this. We have to draw trend lines to respect this. This, first of all, is the important resistance zone it has attained. And our next support zone, we are looking at something here, also resistance, and also another one we're looking at here, thereabouts. So 3 marked out. And we need to check also trend line movements, see how the market has obeyed from the previous times, and currently where it's touching. And we need to mark this out too as well to better understand. So a touch at this point, we are asking for a retest to the downside. So if there was a breakthrough at this point, we're expecting a free fall down to this support zone at 86.082, which is short-term sell. We could, of course, close some good profits from this, of course. Now, that's our technical analysis on today's cryptocurrency pair BTC USDT. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.